Hi, I'm Lisa Busalaki, and today I'm excited to dive into the Collaborative Classroom Literacy Kit with you. In this unboxing video, I'll show you everything that comes in the kit and also demonstrate some ideas for meaningful literacy activities that your students can do during their independent work time. Once you open your kit, be sure to check out the inventory sheet. It's got a handy list of everything inside and notes how many of each item you should have. So now let's take a closer look at all of the materials and think about how your young readers and writers can use these tools during their independent time. By designing activities that align with the skills you're teaching in small groups, students can effectively practice and apply key foundational skills. For students working on letter identification, consider preparing engaging activities such as sorting letters. Students can write letters on the whiteboard or use magnetic foam letters and stamps to make matches and name the letters.
L-R-K. I'm gonna do a H.
The letter tracing sensory pad encourages students to practice letter formation through multisensory exploration. Each box contains 13 two-sided letter cards, 2 stroke sequence cards, and 1 writing card.
B word, lowercase b, there's lowercase b.
Additional activities to practice letter identification include using letter matching puzzles, matching letters to an alphabet chart, and playing letter card games such as Go Fish. As students start to master letter-sound correspondences, their independent work can evolve to include activities like scooping letters and building words with foam letters or stamps, as well as completing letter sound and consonant-vowel-consonant puzzles.
Ma, need, map.
To further reinforce more sophisticated phonemic awareness skills, you can introduce word-building activities that encourage students to manipulate the beginning, middle, or ending sounds of words. This hands-on approach not only solidifies their understanding, but also makes learning interactive and enjoyable. Finally, the phoneme phone is a useful tool to incorporate into all independent work activities. Whether students are isolating sounds, blending or manipulating words, reading to themselves, or decoding while writing, phoneme phones enhance their ability to hear and process sounds clearly. They're beneficial for all learners, and let's be honest, kids absolutely love using them. Now that you're familiar with the materials in the literacy kit, I encourage you to check out the Getting Started Guide. This resource offers valuable insights on how to organize the materials effectively and outlines any additional supplies you might need to enhance independent work. It's a great way to ensure you're fully prepared to maximize the potential of your kit and support your students' learning experiences. I hope you found this literacy kit unboxing video helpful. Remember, we're always here to help whatever you need. From the Learning Portal, you can access the Collaborative Classroom Support Center, where you can browse or search our program-specific content articles. If you have any questions, you can also submit them or chat with an experienced educator. We are a click away and look forward to supporting you.